What is output by the following nested loop? Okay, so we begin with I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 1. All right, so we're going to have to just go through this really slowly, step by step. So it's going to print I times j. So when we first enter the outer loop, I is 0 and j is 1. And so therefore it's going to print 0 first thing. And all of the answer choices have 0 as the first thing printed. Then it's going to loop through the inner loop. So j is now 2, which is still true because we're incrementing by 1. But I is still 0, so 0 times 2 is going to give us another 0. So here, here, and here. Then j is 3, which will work because this says j is less than or equal to 3. But it's still going to be 0 because I is still 0. So 0, 0, 0. Now the inner loop breaks and we go back to the outer loop. Now we're going to increment I by 1. Now I is 1. So we enter the loop. J is now reset back to 1. Print 1 times 1. That will be 1. So there, D. Let's just make sure the next ones work out as well. Alright, so j is 1, 1 times 1. Then j increases to 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Then j will increase to 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Yes. Then the loop breaks. So we go back to the outer loop for one more iteration through the outer loop. Now I is 2 and j is 1 again. 2 times 1 is 2. And then j becomes 2. So then 2 times 2 is 4. And then j becomes 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Then the inner loop breaks and the outer loop breaks. The answer is D.